Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how to lock breakdown calls in EVA ERP. To lock breakdown calls, click on Service module. After that, click on Service option and in Service section, click on Customer Support option. Once you click on Customer Support option, then the Customer Support screen will open where you will lock breakdown calls. In customer information section, you will enter customer name and the other details like ID, cell number and POC name will be automatically mapped by the system. Now let's talk about reference details section. From contract ID dropdown, you will select the contract ID against which the breakdown call has been received. Based on the contract ID selection, the service location of the entered customer will reflect in customer branch dropdown. If the customer don't have branch, then nothing will display in customer branch dropdown. Based on the contract ID selection, the product name in product name dropdown will reflect. It means the service for which you have created contract will reflect in product name dropdown. Based upon the contract ID, customer branch and product name selection, the service detail will reflect in below service table. This is just for the reference purpose. Now let's talk about ticket information section. Complaint registration date and time will be automatically mapped by the system. By default, it will take current date and time. In caller name field, you will enter name of the person who raised the complaint. Caller cell number, you will enter caller's cell number. In caller email field, you will enter caller's email ID. By default, the ticket status will be created. From person responsible dropdown, you will select the name of the employee who has received breakdown call. You can prioritize the breakdown call by selecting an appropriate option from the priority dropdown. You can categorize the breakdown call by configuring ticket category dropdown in the system. To configure ticket category dropdown, simply click on Service module. After that, click on Service configuration option and in Service configuration section, click on Ticket category option. You can assign service engineer to complete this breakdown service by selecting an appropriate service engineer name from the dropdown. By default, system will pick current date and time in service date, service time, assigned date and assigned time field. During service scheduling, if you change this service date and time, then automatically system will update service date, service time, assigned date and assigned time in complaint page as well. Based on the TAT SLA value, an expected completion date and time will be automatically calculated by the system. For customer branch, the TAT value will be referred from the TAT value stored in customer branch master. And if the selected customer don't have any branch, then TAT SLA value will be referred from the TAT value stored in this selected contract ID. Completion date and time will be automatically updated by the system after service completion. And after service completion, TAT for technician, TAT for supervisor and actual TAT will be automatically calculated by the system. In TAT technician field, the actual time taken by the technician to complete a service will be calculated. In TAT for supervisor field, the actual time taken by the supervisor for service scheduling will be calculated. In actual TAT field, the actual time taken by your company to complete the breakdown call will be calculated. In description box, you will enter the complaint in detail so that the service engineer will have a clear view of what he has to do at the service location. After entering all details, you will click on Save button to save this detail. You can click on Print option present on the top of the screen to have a preview of ticket detail. You can click on Email button to email the ticket detail PDF to the customer. Once you have saved complaint detail, You will click on Service button present on the top of the screen to create a breakdown service against this complaint. Service creation is mandatory to complete this process. Similarly, you can log multiple breakdown calls in the system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, please contact support team of EVA Software Solution.